Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome again to Chef Recipes. I'm so glad to have you guys again. All my new subscribers and my old subscribers, you guys are welcome. You are wonderful. In fact, without you guys, I will not be here. I will not be making this video. I will not be in this channel. But I say all thanks to you all for your amazing support out there. I really do appreciate you all. So thanks so much for staying tuned to this channel. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, remember to hit the notification bell, because whenever I upload any fantastic recipe here, you will be the first to get notified. So that's the essence of clicking the notification bell. So thank you for staying tuned, and without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's topic. In today's recipe, I am going to make healthy carrot cake muffin. You know, I did a carrot cake before, but I didn't get what I wanted. I didn't get it the way I want, so I decided to blend my carrots this time. Last time I did I chopped the carrot. This time it was puree, so that was it. And I believe you will stay tuned to watch this video to the end and see how we make the recipe. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you'll be able to grab all the tricks. And I love doing mine the way I love it. So thanks for staying tuned, and let's dive into the kitchen without wasting much of your time.